Today, we learn the difference between some and any. These words help us talk about amounts when we do not know the exact number. Some and any are very important for English beginners to understand. Here is the basic rule. Use some in positive sentences. For example, I have some money. This means I have a little money. Use any in negative sentences. For example, I do not have any money. This means I have no money at all. In most questions, we use any. For example, do you have any questions? But use some in questions when you expect the answer yes. For example, would you like some coffee? This is a polite offer where you think the person wants coffee. Some and any work with both plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For countable plural nouns like apples, we say I have some apples or I do not have any apples. For uncountable nouns like water, we say I have some water or I do not have any water. There is an important exception. We can use any in positive sentences when we mean it does not matter which one. For example, you can sit in any chair. This means all chairs are okay, or take any book from the shelf. This means any book is fine. Here are the key tips to remember. Use some in positive sentences and polite offers or requests. Use any in negative statements and most questions. Remember the exception where any means it does not matter which one. Practice with both plural countable and uncountable nouns. Now let us practice. For I have blank apples, the correct answer is some apples. For do you want blank tea, use some tea. For she does not need blank help, use any help. For choose blank book you like, use any book. Now it is your turn to choose the correct answers. For I do not have blank time, the answer is any time. For would you like blank water, use some water. For take blank seat, use any seat. For there are blank books here, use some books.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.